Finding a Sharpie is becoming harder and harder every day. I love Nerf guns. We all love Nerf guns. We use them here a lot. I want to start making my own blaster, not just modifying them, but just making them from scratch. I have this interesting idea to have the magazine being like a big drum, basically, where all the darts are around here. It's going to be like this big, visually interesting. And then in the middle, I have plexiglass, so this is transparent. The idea is that you use this as a magazine for the darts, but also as a shield. So like when you're behind a table or something, you can see and aim to the bad guys, but also, it has a function. So this is the basic idea, where somehow this has to work as a magazine and it rotates and it shoots kind of fast, maybe. So this is going to be kind of what the gun is going to look like, as you can see from this very accurate sketch that I just made. But I want to try and experiment this time. I want to have inputs from you guys telling me how I should make the mechanism, the system. I can use Arduino or just make it all mechanical. Should I use air to, shoot them, or like the two flywheels? Whatever, you tell me, and I'm going to pick the best ideas that I think are the best ideas. And I'm going to try to make what you say. So see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. What's in the box? What is in this box? This is a friend of mine, which is Dustin Penner, which you might know as DP Make. I don't remember, but I put the link in the description. But I swear it's my friend. He sent me this package, and it can only be really awesome stuff. So I'm gonna open it right now. Ooh, letter. Ah, Canadian. This is a nice touch. Thank you, Dustin. I feel bad now because I sent him a bunch of crap, and I can already see this is pretty cool stuff. See, this is the guy. He's awesome. Typewriter. Like, you already know that this is an amazing guy. Fuck dreams, make plans. Oh. What would I do without the maker knife, by the way? Oh my God. Is this what I think it is? I think it is what I think it is. Wow. Everest Vid. This is pretty cool stuff. Are you kidding me? Gamma radiation detector. What is that? David or Daniel, do you know what a gamma radiation detector is? Do you want to come and have a look? Yeah, come. It's pretty cool stuff. Oh, look at that. What? Yeah, gamma radiation detector. It feels pretty cool. Come at that. I know, right? What is this stuff? Do you know? Also, it came with these two things.
Oh, I love the brand name, Canadian Admiral Corporation Limited.
This is pretty cool. And this dial, I mean, not the dial, the indicator thing.
This is Bakelite. This is old stuff.
No, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
All the knobs, everything.
Let's put it here so we can also see it from that camera.
Oh.
So, what do you think this is? Canadian Admiral.
Sounds like a really cool
Is this part of that, or a really cool guy? Is this part of that, or is it just the coolest thing I've ever seen? Like, look at that.
What is this from?
It's from this guy. He's a friend of mine, a YouTuber.
Hey,
he makes actually cool stuff.
Oh,
wow.
They actually clamp on.
You clamp. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah,
So they
clamps.
close here.
Yeah. Oh, so they're like fittings of some sort, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Clamp
must
around a shaft or...
And it's so smooth. What is gamma radiation?
Well, you have alpha, beta, gamma. Basically, alpha radiation is the weakest, can't penetrate paper, basically. Whereas gamma radiation is the stuff you don't want to mess around with.
Okay, I like it.
They're batteries?
Yeah, how do you power it?
Man.
Oh yeah, let's open it.
Open it. We open this, and that's the end of the video.
So, I don't know how. Okay. If only I had. Oh yeah, the right tool for everything. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just a big thing.
It's a diesel.
Diesel, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Do we have a diesel? It must be further down.
Oh, we have it in the Nerf.
Oh, the Nerf gun.
Yes.
Probably going to be a void warranty or something.
Yeah.
No, if it's gonna read high now, it's gonna be fun. We have smart people watching this, hopefully. So if you know better about this amazing thing, please let us know.
Aha!
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
Okay.
So is it working?
So that's off. And then
So what?
check.
Is
Does it do anything?
Yeah,
Whee!
it's moving. So it's reading 100. And if you check, it's going
Is that a
lower.
lot or a little though?
Like, what's a good thing? If it's high or if it's...
I would say low is what we're looking for.
Okay.
I was gonna say, do you have anything that is a gamma ray emitter, but
I don't know. I have
hopefully.
stuff from Chernobyl we can try. I mean, this is the coolest thing. Also, this kind of look is something I
yeah,
love. This kind of look too.
On,
all of
zero,
this kind of.
hold, lever.
Hold lever switch and check needle should remain steady with the check band. Oh, okay, so it shouldn't move when you push the check thing.
Okay, so now it's at 0. Cool. Now I'll do a check.
How do we test it?
Yeah, do you have to calibrate it with a known source or something like that?
Now, I think here it says that when you do the check thing, it has to stay stable. If not, insert fresh battery. Turn knob to off when not in use. Thank you very much. Well, I guess that they let us know what it is, and then in the next episode.
This is really cool. I like
Yeah,
this.
I really like this one. They're a little too good to use in any project, but maybe we can custom and
It would be interesting to see exactly how the mechanism works.
yeah.
It's probably quite simple, but it's very elegant.
There's
It
so
must
many
be.
turns to it.
Yeah, because there are more turns. Like, does it turn only once? Yes, it does. Also, he sent me this.
the-
Oh, look at that.
Gee,
Aluminum.
nice. That's some thick stuff.
Yeah, and it was somewhere. So he stole it. He went like in a store, like, ooh, look at like, that's a G is gonna, and it's sandblasted. Giaco is gonna like it, let's steal it. And another pin. So again, thank you, Dustin, for all these amazing things. I'd figure out something cool to make with this or just use it somehow. Oh my God, it looks so cool.
That's a really nice lever, huh?
Yeah. What about the switch? Switch and lever. You know that guy?
Oh yeah.
There's a joke.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Anyway, see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. This is pretty cool. Now we should pretend we're talking.
Investigate.